Hi, everyone. This is Kathy Mamolen. I'm a psychic medium and intuitive life coach, and I'm adding a new oracle deck to my collection today. So if you would like to join me, I'm going to be opening up for the first time Fairy Wisdom Oracle. And this is by Amy Brown and written by Nancy Brown. Nice. Okay, so it's a big box, which is it's very pretty actually. So I do love that. So that's the front of the box. The side of the box has its name, and then the back of the box has some images with some fairy cards on them. So it's very, very pretty. And it is a just slide open box. It's pretty sturdy, so it will protect the cards very well. And inside is this beautiful guidebook right out of the gate with a little tab, so we can grab that out of there. Wow, the guidebook is hard covered. That is very pretty. It's a real book. So that's very pretty. And then inside is black and white images for each of the cards. So I do love that. This is gorgeous. Okay, so I've had my eyes on this for a little while, and I'm going to take my time and go through this book in each of the cards and read the creator's story behind them. Beautiful box. Okay, so this is the inside of the box. It has this little butterfly in the background of the box. The box is very well designed. Here is the back of the deck. I've got to take the plastic off, so just give me a moment to do that. All this plastic. It's so hard to get into some of this stuff. It's my pet peeve. This is how hard it is to unpackage stuff. All right, so we'll get rid of that. Okay, so an oversized oracle deck for sure. I can feel it in my hands. Okay, and beautiful, beautiful pastel-y backing with these florals and this butterfly. So I'm going to flip through these. This has 64 cards. Very nice size deck. Definitely worth the investment. I don't remember what I paid, but I got it on Amazon. So, and I'll put the name of the deck down in the description. Okay, so let's just look through these. Attitude. The dragon. Oh, here's one for me. I love coffee. Here's my coffee break. Bad dragon. Bad dragon. Birth of magic. These are charming. I can't wait to read the story behind them. The jewel of the sea. These are so pretty. Forget-me-not flowers. Look at that. These are so beautiful. Okay. Too many dragons. Winter. Trillium. These are gorgeous illustrations, absolutely stunning. When fairies go bad, bad fairy. Something wild. These are awesome. I can't wait to add these to my collection. I'm so glad I ordered them. Okay, devotion. Moon dragon. Companions. The illustrations are absolutely stunning. Discovery. Look at the colors, the green and the purples, and oh, they're so pretty. Believe. Rescued. Overindulgence. The balancing act. Fairies. Magnolia. Blue fairies. Shaman. Green fairies. I'll have to look up the difference between a blue fairy and a green fairy. The oldest fairy. Look at him. The Source of Magic. That's a powerful card. Beloved. So cute. The Dormouse. Moon Secrets. Hummingbird Dreams. The Flirt. The Magic Frog. The Fire Dance. Always. Summer Dragon. Gorgeous. Oh, look at this. Bubble Rider. Lighting the Way. Pedestal. The Book Fairy. I love that. The coffee and the books. That's mine. That's for me. That's me. Dandelions. Caffeine. This person must be a coffee drinker. There's like three cards that reference coffee. Fire Element. This is gorgeous. Autumn. A Gift Revealed. Ivy. Trouble. Magic Fish. Night Light. Painting Poppies. The Tattoo Fairy. Whispers of Spring. The Brat. The Chakra Fairy. Earth Element. Thinking of You. Trespassers. I wouldn't want to come across her. Water Element. Reflections. Wild Violet. Air Element. Wishing You Health. Chocolate Brownie Fairy. The Human Myth. And Home Sweet Home. Oh, these are gorgeous. These are gorgeous. I hope you guys think these are gorgeous. So I'm going to be adding these to my collection. So what I like to do is I like to share them with you before I start using them. But you're going to start to see these incorporated in my pick a cards and my daily readings and my one-on-one readings, my private readings. So this was the Fairy Wisdom Oracle deck by Amy Brown and Nancy Brown. They did a great job. I can't wait to tackle the guidebook to see what the creator's intentions are behind each of the cards and the meaning behind each of the cards, and really get a full understanding of what the messages are going to be. So, but I love them. I love the design. I love the elements. I love the, I love everything about them. I love everything about them. Who doesn't love fairies? So I'm so excited. Home Sweet Home. I'm going to add them to my home. I'm going to add them to my Oracle and Tarot deck collection, which is very important to me and close to my heart. So I'm really excited that these are part of my life now, and I hope that you enjoyed this. Please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you can follow my channel and see more deck collections, more readings, learn more about my psychic work, whatever you'd like. But I would love for you to follow me. Thank you for following. Have a great day.